Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. In place of this winner take all system of individualized, expensive and superficial contest in single member district, we proposed that each state be turned into a single multi-member district from which its allotted number of house/seat would be filled by a means of proportional representation. James Skillen, Executive Director, Center for Public Justice, researching the American experiment. Baker Books, Grand Rapids, Mich, 1994. Fiamanillah, Allah Hafiz, Bangladesh, Jindabad.